I actually knew somebody that worked here. They got me a job here. It didn't take me long to realize how much I really liked it here. Every day is different. We do something different every single day. My name's Logan. I'm a utility worker for Rockingham County Public Works. One of the benefits to the job is being able to provide a service like that to a customer. It feels good because everybody needs water, and you know everybody needs water. So it makes you feel good when somebody has a water emergency and then you can get them back going. Just like here today, I'm helping provide a water service. We have a leak on a galvanized line, so we're going to swap it out for a plastic line. I mean, if you want to learn to do a bunch of different types of jobs, different things, then this is definitely a good place to come. We got a good group of guys. The people we work with is awesome. The county's good to work for. Everybody's real nice. Especially our team, we all get along. You know, we enjoy each other's company. We have a good time when we do it. Some things people don't realize is we have quite a few benefits. We get 12 paid holidays off a year. I love being off 4 days every other weekend. We get plenty of time to spend time with our family. It makes you feel good after a long break. It makes you feel like you're ready to come back to work. This would be a good starter job for people. I mean, you get to do a whole lot of different things every day. You're constantly learning to do something different. We get to weld, we get to operate equipment. You get your CDLs. One perk to the job is the county will pay for your CDLs, put you through school. All the training's hands-on. You learn as you go, they teach you as you go. They don't expect you to know everything, you know, from the get-go. The older guys that work here, you know, anything you want to learn, they'll teach you. When you learn something and you can actually learn how to do the job, it's very rewarding. If I knew somebody, I would definitely tell them to come. It's a good job. The county takes really good care of us. Anytime we need help, they're there for us. They look after us. It makes a difference when you know the people that you work for has your back. I do plan on staying for a while. I plan on making a career out of it. I think I already have.